Welcome, Yogi, to 5-minute movements. This class is Breathe, designed to connect your breath and your movement and focus on the quality of your breath. These practices are designed to not need any props, no mat, though if you do have a table or chair or blocks close by for your fold, if you're on the tighter side, they may be useful. So begin please with your feet about your hips width apart from one another. Stand up nice and tall and let your shoulders drop down your back and your hands rest by your sides. First off, focus on your deep breaths in through the nose, into the belly, into the ribs, and then the chest. And out from the chest, from your ribs, from your belly. Make sure you let go of enough exhale to make room for your next inhale. And then in, breathe into the belly, into the ribs, into the chest, and out from the chest, ribs, and belly. Just one more of those, please. Inhaling deeply, expanding in all directions, fronts, backs, and sides. And out. And let's connect your breath and movement in Half Sun Salutations. Circle your arms out and up on your next breath in. Take as much time as you were just doing for those previous inhales. Exhale, fold forwards. And so you could use your blocks or a table or reach for the floor. And if the floor's a long way away and you have no other props, bend your knees. Halfway lift, extend the spine out, squeeze your shoulder blades together, and come back into your fold again. Soften the knees a little, stand up strong, push through the feet. Take your hands up overhead. Let the right hand come down by your side and left arm over the top into a side body stretch. Inhale back up and exhale the other way. Right arm over the top. Inhale back up to the ceiling with both hands. This time right arm back, left arm forwards, twist. Inhale, take the hands up. And left arm back, right arm forwards, twist. Both hands go up to the ceiling. And bring them down to your heart, exhale. Let's do that again. Circle your arms out and up. Looking up, take your time, fill up. Fold forwards through the whole exhale. Halfway lift during your inhale. And forward fold, exhale. Soft knees, circle your hands up. Big breath in. Right hand down, left hand over. Exhale, side stretch. Inhale to take both hands up. Left arm down, right arm over. Side stretch. Inhale back up. Right arm back, left arm forwards, twist. Both hands up. Deep breath out, exhale, twist, left arm back, right arm forwards. Both hands to the sky. Bring them down to your heart. Final round, circle your arms up. And into your fold. Halfway lift and lengthen. Hands to thighs or shins or even the floor. And fold again. Stand up strong, reach high, deep breath. Take the whole breath to reach overhead. Side stretch, left arm over the top. Inhale, both hands up. Left arm down, right arm over. Both hands up. Right hand back to twist your spine. Left arm forwards. Stretch both hands high. And left arm back, right arm forwards. Reach up. Last deep breath in of movement. Exhale, hands to heart. Close your eyes if that feels safe. Take a deep breath in. Small bow as you exhale. Thank you for joining me, Yogi. Namaste. If you enjoy these practices, please remember to like and subscribe.